I'm almost done cutting all my vegetables. You see, I'm cutting the potato. I'm putting it in there like this size. That's fine. And then I'm going to cut the boniato. Boniato is a little bit difficult to cut. It's got tough skin again. And you got to really be careful when you cut it. I just do that. Leave my finger really away from it. You know, cut it far like this. Again, you can use the potato peeler. Please do. Okay, don't do this if you can't do it. Use the potato peeler. It's not a problem. Or lay it flat on the board and do this. You know, if you're a little scared of the knife and you're not really good at it, okay? But you want all this stuff off of it. You see what I'm doing here? And I'm going to cut it in pieces and put it inside there, that bowl there. And notice that the bowl has all the vegetables already cut and ready to go. And I'm going to place them in there in the order that they cook. So the bananas and the pumpkin cook faster, and the potato and the boniato and the other stuff cook a little longer.